social networking website is an online platform that allows users to create profiles, connect with others, share content, and engage in social interactions. These websites facilitate communication and collaboration among users, enabling them to build relationships, share information, and participate in communities based on shared interest. Next one is we're discussing about practical business uses. Number one, social network advertising. When we say social network advertising, businesses use social network to target specific demographics with ads, leveraging user data to reach potential customers effectively. Number two, hiring process. Companies utilize social networks like LinkedIn to find candidates, access their qualifications, and gauge their professional reputation through online profiles. Next one is number three, customer service improvement. When we say customer service improvement, businesses engage with customers on social media to address inquiries, resolve issues, and gather feedback, enhancing customer satisfaction. Let's proceed to number four, social shopping websites. Platforms that combine social networking with e-commerce, allowing users to share product recommendations and review, influencing purchasing decisions.
So, good day everyone. My name is Magnavaras Bernal III. I'm the next presenter. So, I'll discuss about ethical issues in social networking. So, number one is cyberbullying. So, what is cyberbullying? The use of social network to harass, threaten, or intimidate individuals, leading to emotional distress and mental illness. So, cyberbullying is this involves using social media. So, familiar naman siguro tayo simula't pagkabata natin is natatakal na natin itong cyberbullying to harass or to intimidate someone, often leading to emotional distress for the victims or yung pagkakalat ng mga chismis or mga larawan through social media na mga parang hindi kaaya-ayan tignan. Example, a student receives hurtful message on Instagram, leading nag-cause lang siya ng anxiety and depressions. Like that. So, number two, in ethical issues in social networking is cyber stalking. Persistent and unwanted attention from individuals through social media which can escalate to real life threats and harassment. So, cyber stalking this is a repeated and unwanted attentions from someone online which can escalate to real life threats. Yung parang ini-stalk ka niya, yung binabantayan lahat ng pag-upload mo kada minuto, kada oras sa pag-upload ng mga image mo or sa my day mo, and then after that is parang i-message ka niya na parang na pagbabantaan, ganun. Example of this is wait lang. Imagine a person's name Sarah who has a public profile on social media. An ex-boyfriend's Tom becomes upset after their breakup. Instead of moving on, Tom starts sending Sarah's numerous message, calling her names and making threats. He also creates fake accounts to post negative comments about her on her posts and follows her online to keep track of her activities. Sarah feels scared and anxious because Tom won't leave her alone, and his actions make her feel unsafe. So, another example is an individuals receive constant message and threats from someone they do not know, causing fear for their safety. So, yun. So, next is number 3, encounters with sexual predators. The risk of individuals encountering predators who exploit social media networks to groom or exploits vulnerable users is particularly minor. So, number 3 is dito sa sexual predators is parang yung pakay nila is mga which means is yung mga minors, yung mga binibiktima nila dito, nagpapanggap sila na magiging to become friends, and then after that na kapag nakukuha na nila yung gusto nila or parang sinasabayan kanila sa mga hobbies mo, kasi syempre minors pa lang, so G pa rin sila for chatting, and then after that is mag-i-involve na yung about dun sa sexual, like sending nudes like that, and then other part of body. So yun yung example ng encounters with sexual predators. So number 4, uploading inappropriate materials. The sharing of explicit, harmful, or offensive content that can have legal and social repercussions for individuals and platforms. So, user may share explicit or harmful content that can have negative consequences for themselves and others. Example is a user posts a video that contains violence or explicit content which can lead to account suspensions and legal issues. Like example is karahasan, and then yung sa laman ng video na yon sa pag-upload niya is puros negative, like paninira talaga siya. Paninira, example is paninira dun sa relihiyon or sa kasarian or about sa politics. Yun yung main talaga, puros negative siya, paninira.
Virtual Live Community is an online environment where users interact through avatars or digital presentation, often in immersive settings like virtual worlds or gaming platforms. These communities often allow users to create avatars or digital presentation of themselves, socialize, and participants in various activities like gaming, work, or all space that. There are 7 aspects virtual life community. Number 1 is avatar and personalization. Number 2 is social interaction. Number 3, virtual economy. Number 4, activities and gameplay. Number 5 is virtual real estate. And number 6 is technology. And the last is diverse environment. These are examples of virtual life communities. Second Life, a popular online platform where users can create avatars, build homes, interact with others, and even conduct business. Another example of virtual life communities, The Sims, a game series where players create a counter-virtual people in simulations of life, building homes, forming relationships, and advising careers. The last example of virtual life communities is the Roblox, a platform allowing users to create and play games created by others with virtual worlds and experience that users can interact with. Ethical issues associated with virtual communities. What is ethical issues associated with virtual communities? Virtual communities will providing opportunities for social interaction, entertainment, and collaboration. Also present a range of ethical issues. These issues often stem from the unique nature of virtual environment, digital interaction, and the creation of alternate identities raise complex questions about responsibility, privacy, fairness, and harm. There are 10 ethical issues associated with virtual communities. Number 1, privacy and data security. Number 2, cyberbullying and harassment. Number 3, identity and authenticity. Number 3, addiction and mental health. Number 5, exploitation and commercialization. Number 6, intellectual property and copyright. Number 7, digital divide and accessibility. Number 8, platform moderation. Number 9, social manipulation. Number 10, community norms and social justice. Crime in virtual worlds, issues such as theft, harassment, and fraud can occur in virtual environments, raising questions about accountability and law enforcement.
Virtual worlds offer valuable opportunities for training, collaboration, and education for simulating real-life scenarios and enabling immersive learning experiences. However, ethical concerns arise particularly regarding data privacy, as these environments often collect vast amounts of personal information. User consent is another critical issue, as individuals may not fully understand how their data is used or shared. Additionally, the potential for exploitation exists, including the manipulation of users, exposure to harmful content, and economic exploitation in virtual economies. Addressing these concerns requires clear policies, transparency, and ethical design principles to ensure user safety and trust.